you still doing this? Opening LinkedIn, scrolling through job listings one by one, checking if the job description matches your resume, checking if the skills are right, if the location works, if it is even worth applying. If that is your job strategy right now, I can tell you, you are wasting hours every single day. Now imagine what it actually looks like. You open LinkedIn at 8 p.m. in the night. 1 hour later, you have looked at 40-50 listings, applied to 3 of them with the same resume, no tailoring, and now you are tired, slightly demoralized, and wondering why the callbacks are not coming. Trust me, I have been there myself. Most professionals I work with have been there. And the problem is not your resume. The problem is not even your experience. The problem is the method, is the strategy you are using. You are using a 2015 job search process in 2026, my friend. Today I'm going to show you a system that takes 10 minutes every morning and gives you 20 tailored job listings posted in the latest 24 hours, that too in an Excel sheet with the math score between each job and your specific resume. Isn't that beautiful and powerful? And by the way, it's completely free. Works every single day, starting today. By the way, what this system is all about? This system connects Claude AI with a tool called Apify. Apify has a LinkedIn job scraper, a tool that reads LinkedIn on your behalf. Claude pulls the jobs, compares them to your resume, scores each match and delivers the whole thing in an Excel file. You just wake up, run it, download the sheet, apply to the top 5, done every single morning. So step number 1, you need to download the Claude desktop version because now we are going to connect Apify with it. If you are using a normal web version of Claude, that possibly is not going to give you the results which we are going to fetch from Claude desktop. So I'm going to show you how we can download it and what kind of a version you need to download. If you are a Windows user, if you are a Mac user, what and how you can download it. So pay attention on the screen. Yeah, so you need to just type in here claude.com/download. Simple, this link will be provided in the description. You just need to make sure. And then you just go here. For me, it's Mac, so I can go and click here. But for you, if it's not Mac, or even if it's Mac, you can click here or click on Windows download. This is the Claude desktop version. So you need to install it and open it. Now inside Claude desktop, what you need to do, just pay attention. Do you see the plus button on the Claude desktop here where it says add files, connectors and more? So when you see here add files or photos, add project skills, you need to move to connectors. And when you go to connectors, you just go to then add connectors and then browse connectors. And here what we are supposed to type in is Apify and click on this plus button and install. Now do you see that there is, once you click on the connect button, you will see this kind of a prompt coming in which says configure Apify, where you need to bring in Apify API token. So now what you need to do is go to Apify and log in, or you can, I have already logged in, so I can click on continue with Google. Sign up if you are new, log in if you already have the login being done previously. Then you need to click on settings and then you need to go to API and integrations. Now do you see that there is a default API token created on sign up? So this is your secret number. You can't show this. When you click on this, this will probably show the entire thing. So you are not supposed to do that. It's a very, very secret thing. Otherwise your APIs might get hacked. So you just need to copy this like this and then go to your Claude desktop. And here you have to put that, okay? And then save. And after this, you need to enable the connector like this. So Apify most probably has got connected. Now let's see. Yeah, can you see Apify here as being connected, and this is your toggle button which you can on off. So that is it. Apify is connected to your Claude desktop beautifully now. You do this setup only once. From tomorrow, you just open the Claude and run the prompt which I am going to give you now. So you need to just click on this plus button, add files or photos, and upload your resume. Yes, my resume is now attached on Claude desktop. So now you just need to, after attaching your resume, paste this prompt here, which is clearly visible on the screen now. My resume is attached using Apify. Send it, and now Claude has started doing its job. I will help you pull those LinkedIn marketing head jobs and build a matched Excel sheet. Let me start by setting up the Apify tools and finding the right LinkedIn job scraper. This is really powerful, guys. Give the permission to connect and move on. By the way, if you deny actor permission, the process will stop and throw an error. Just click always allow every time it asks. This gives Claude the access to go on LinkedIn and scrap the right jobs for you. Yeah, now do you see there is a prompt on the screen? Claude wants to use search actors from Apify. You have to allow this. Now watch what happens. Claude connects to Apify. Apify runs its LinkedIn job scrapper. Jobs from the last 24 hours come in, filtered to your exact role and location. Claude then compares each job to your resume and gives you the score. And everything, by the way, gets filled in an Excel file, clean and clear. Boom! Now you see what you got. This would have taken you hell lot of time. Yeah, let's download this Excel file and see what all we have received. So this is your Excel file which shows you marketing head, the company name, the location, the date posted, full time, seniority level director, salary not mentioned, that's okay, apply on LinkedIn, the link is there, the math score is 88, there is a ranking which you have got in green, and then you have got the yellow ranking, and then you have got the red ranking. But can you see that there are 20 jobs which are completely put in here with why it matched, it did not match, every damn thing is clearly being told. You know, you can see that it's a clear distinction and description of what and why you should go and apply on this job. Isn't this powerful and magical? This could have taken hours and hours for you to build, and now what you see here is just done in last 3 minutes or 4 minutes max. So here is what your Excel sheet looks like now. Job title, company, location, when it was posted, employment type, seniority level, and the math score with the clear ranking. A number out of 100 showing that how well you fit in your resume, plus the direct application link on LinkedIn. Now make sure you do not apply on all 20. It's already sorted for you by math score. Apply to the top 4 or 5, the ones above 75% math score. Those are the roles where your resume is almost doing most of the work. Open the application link, paste your resume, but before you hit apply, quick tailor the top 2 or 3 bullet points in your resume so that you can actually match their requirement and the JD keywords. 10 minutes per application, that's it. By the way, to find the recruiter's contact or the email ID, go to their LinkedIn profile. Use a tool called Walaxy, Walallaxy. We will provide that link also. With usage of that tool and going as an extension on the LinkedIn, you will be able to find the emails also. We will, by the way, shoot one more video where we will demonstrate how Walaxy helps you send DMs and send emails and find out the emails of those people. Maybe in the next couple of weeks, you will see that video also coming on my channel. So if you have not subscribed to our channel or hit the like button, you have to do that right now so that you get notified on the stuff which matters to you. We keep producing that, which is a practical and some of the stuffs which can give you fast jobs, help crack the interviews and do the salary negotiation also. Along with this, you need to go on Walaxy extension, install it on your LinkedIn, and you will be able to find the email of that person also very easily. Then and there itself in the LinkedIn. Apify's free plan gives you $5 of credit. Let me show you. Yeah, here you see billing and 0.01, out of your $5. Here you see usage 0.01 out of $5. So you consumed $0.01. One search costs about 3 cents. That is actually the month of quota you have in your daily searches. And to connect with professionals like you, we have built a powerful Career Dwar first community. You will find the link in the description at the top. Just click on that link and you can be part of that community where you can learn every Tuesday from me live and come in a Q&A session absolutely free, so that you can connect with me and share a beautiful bond where your journey to the next level of your career is being taken care of. Every Tuesday 8 p.m. live Q&A. To come to that session, you just need to click on the link and become a part of the WhatsApp group community. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. Do not be most people. Open Claude desktop tonight, run the prompt, see what top 20 latest jobs look like when you are actually getting that Excel file, and get ready for it.